bake shrimp. Chicken and shrimp baked pasta.
We should be closer than friends.
The ingredients we're going to use is grilled chicken. It's Tyson's, of course. I'm trying to go the easy way out to make it very easy and simple. I also have shrimp. I also have my stir fry, which is I use onions, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and also flakes, paisley flakes, garlic, and 1 lemon. And whatever seasoning you're going to use of your choice, because everybody uses their own seasoning when it comes to their food. And also, of course, last but not least, the noodles and your cheeses. We're going to go ahead and clean our shrimp and take the shell off the back. Make sure this is warm water. After we clean the shrimp, we're going to go ahead and boil the shrimp and add our seasoning. Seasoning of your choice. Now you're going to add your chicken to the pot and you're going to begin seasoning. And don't forget to add your stir fry in the mix of it to have that flavor. What I want to do, I'm just going to go ahead and cover this for a second while that begins to boil. Oops, I forgot to add the paisley. It's so messy. Go ahead and clean this up. Stirring the chicken with the stir fry. Why are you doing that? To make sure it's flavored enough.
Also, when you stir it, it flavors it.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
Yes. To give it that flavorness. I want to make sure everything is, seasoned, at the right touch. Okay. I'm going to let that go ahead and sizzle some more. I'm going to go ahead and put a lid on that right there. It's smelling good already. I'm getting more hungry. Now we have to drain our shrimps to be added to the chicken. Well, it's kind of hot and steamy. Make sure you drain all the water out. You don't want no excess water. I'm going to go ahead and remove this lid. I'm going to go ahead and add my shrimp to the chicken. It smells good. Hold it down a little. Now that. What we're going to do, we're going to blend it. And make sure we have that seasoning and that fry. We're going to go ahead and add the pasta of your choice into the boiler. Turn them around a little bit. And go ahead and let that boil for 10 minutes. Also, what I kind of do during the mix, I go ahead and take my Alfredo sauce. Take the lid off that. And I add it to the shrimp and chicken so I can go ahead and have that flavor already before I even mix with each other. Go ahead and give this a stir so I can have that extra flavor already in it. Smell yummy already. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just have that simmer. Put it like on a 3 or 4. Have it simmer. And just go ahead and pop that lid right back on it. And you got 10 minutes. Wait till the pasta is finished. And that's about it. So I wanna go ahead and put the pasta back in there. I also wanna add my chicken and shrimp to the pasta. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Look at that good stuff. All that good flavor. I want to add my cheeses to the mix, which is the 4-state, any cheese of your choice. We'll go ahead and add that. And give that a little blend so it can be a little cheesy. I want to add a little mozzarella to the bunch, just for right now. I want to save some of that to put it on top. And also, last but not least, I'm going to add 2 eggs. So when I bake it, it's going to stick and it's going to hold as a cake. There we go. Then I'm going to go ahead and close this to the side. And I'm going to go ahead and start blending. What we're going to do is go ahead and add the shrimp and chicken pasta to your pan. So I can go ahead and bake that. Yes. Go ahead and put that down. Go ahead and layer it. I can go ahead and add my mozzarella cheese on top. Now you're gonna go ahead and add your mozzarella cheese on top. Just give it a little sprinkle. A little sprinkle. Just kind of spread it around. But it's been so messy. Just kind of spread it. Okay, there we go. We're done. They don't have to be fully covered, but however you like it, your choice. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in the oven, and you're gonna put your oven on for 350. And you're gonna go ahead and throw it in the oven and leave it in for 35 minutes. Go ahead and put my timer on for 35 minutes until it get a little golden brown. Now that's done. Let's see how everything turns out. Go ahead. Oh my God. You're gonna go ahead and let that simmer for like 10 minutes.